Alright boys, here's the finished product. This thing is ceramic coated from top to bottom, from wheels to paint, from glass to trim. We did it all for this baby. We did a lot of return of the Mach on Instagram. If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, give us a follow. We got the haters coming in right now. Bunch of haters. Looks like it's gonna try to rain on us, so I'm trying to do a nice little walk around before that starts to happen. So this thing was a blast to work on. Beautiful color, fighter jet gray. This is my awesome helper right here, Gustavo. He helped me do all this stuff, all of it. Without him, I couldn't have done it. Is that right, boy? He's shy. He's humble. He's humble. He's being modest. Anyways, I'm gonna get some nice action shots right now. Probably play a little music for you guys. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start on the polish for this Mach 1, and I've chosen to go with Uno from Rupes. This is Uno 1 Pure, not to be confused with their all-in-one. I believe that's also called Uno. And this is really known for providing what you see on that label right there. High gloss and a show car finish. This vehicle's paint is in perfect condition, so you don't want anything with fillers in it. That's something else that this Uno Pure specializes in. It has no fillers. So this is the perfect product to polish with right before a ceramic coating to really give that show car quality gloss. And being that we're gonna ceramic it, it's gonna have a really nice deep gloss. Anyways, we're getting ready to get started. Enjoy the show, guys. Getting a premium hand wash inside of your 187 mile Mach 1. Brand spanking new. Straight from the dealership to yours truly here to be cared and loved for by the team at Go Detailer Go. Good customer service. He saw a little bit of water sneaking in, so he shut the door right for us. Alright boys, so what you're looking at here is the ceramic coating process. For those of you who have never worked with ceramic, the most important thing is that you get 100% coverage and also that you level this stuff properly. Leveling is just another way to say make sure you wipe it all off. If you don't, you'll end up with what's known as a high spot, and that's basically a permanent streak that's going to be on that paint. Well, semi-permanent, because you can always wet sand or compound / buff it off and then reapply the ceramic, but you want to avoid doing that at all costs by just using the proper towels and the proper techniques. What you're seeing my man Troy here do is meticulously ceramic coat these beautiful wheels. This is a 1 to 2 year ceramic coating on the wheels, specially formulated for the high temps that the wheels will reach. Alright guys, thank y'all so much for watching to the end. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, but most importantly, subscribe. If you guys want to see me do more long form content, for example, the whole detail from start to finish without any like extra cuts, like there's so many cuts to this. This took us days to accomplish, and we shortened it up to about a 6-minute video. So if you guys want to see the long form thing with more explanation for the processes and the techniques, etc., leave a comment letting me know that. That way I can make something like that for you guys in the future. At the moment, I'm just assuming nobody wants to watch me detail the car, you know, for an extended cut. Like a 30-minute cut is what I could potentially produce if I wanted to. So just let me know if that's something y'all want to see in the comments. Also, check out our merch store. Any purchases y'all make on that help the channel grow tremendously. As per usual, go detailer, go.